Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the sleep settings on Frameo Digital Frame in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to tap on your frame screen once in order to open the menu in front of you. Now, in the menu, you just have to tap on the option of settings. Now, when you are inside the settings, you just have to look for the option of display. Now inside display, you will see the sleep mode available. When you tap on the sleep mode, when you are inside the sleep mode, you will see this type of toggle button first. So you just have to first of all enable it by tapping on it. So after tapping on this particular option, you can choose the time when your frame should turn off, like night time, and then you can set the wake up time for morning. Your frame will now follow the schedule daily. You can also set the times based on your daily usage. For example, you can turn off during the sleep hours to save more power. Once it is set successfully, the frame will automatically turn off and on at the selected times without any manual action. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.